Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to solve DMSS camera offline. Firstly, allow me to illustrate the issue at hand. When you try to play your Dahua device in the DMSS app, you receive a notification stating that the device you want to access is offline. To address this, you need to confirm whether the P2P connection status in the DVR is online or not. To do this, you need to access the DVR menu. Right-click on the monitor screen and select Main menu. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the Network menu and go to the P2P section. We can see here the status is online. We will now try to access the application again, and it turns out that we still cannot. The message says it's still offline. Now, we will attempt to disable its P2P first, then click Apply. Next, we will exit the menu, and then return to the P2P menu. Afterward, re-enable P2P and click Apply. Go back to the previous menu, and return to the P2P menu. Check the status, it should now be back online. Next, let's try it again in the DMSS application. First, refresh, and then click Play. Congratulations, now you can view your Dahua camera again. That's it. How to solve DMSS camera offline. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.